Welcome back to English Listening Practice Video. This is episode 3. I'm so happy you're here. Today, I've got a story for you. It's real, it's personal, and it all starts with a simple bus ride. Put on your headphones, read the captions, and just follow the flow. It was a normal Tuesday, the kind of day where nothing special usually happens. I woke up a little late, made a quick cup of coffee, and rushed out the door. The sky was gray, not rainy, just quiet. You know those days where the world feels a little slower? I checked my phone. It was already 8:17. The bus would arrive in exactly 3 minutes. If I missed it, I'd be late. Again. I ran down the street, my backpack bouncing on my shoulders. My shoelace came loose. I almost tripped, but I made it. I jumped on the bus right as the doors closed. The bus was half full, not too crowded, not too empty. I sat in the middle, near the window. I love looking out, just watching the city pass by. People walking, cars honking, shops opening. Across from me, a kid was playing a game on his mom's phone. Beside him, a man in a suit was asleep. And right next to me, an old woman wearing a red scarf, holding a small notebook. She looked at me, smiled, and said quietly, "Long day ahead?" I smiled back. "Maybe," I said, "or maybe something unexpected will happen." She laughed softly. "I hope it's something good." I didn't know yet. She was right. 3 stops later, a man got on the bus. He looked different. Tall, black jacket, big headphones around his neck, and a tired look on his face. He sat near the back, pulled out a notebook, and started drawing. I couldn't help but look. He was fast. Lines, shapes, faces, like his hand had a story to tell. The old woman beside me leaned in and said, "He comes on this bus every Tuesday, always drawing, never talking." That made me curious. I got up, walked slowly to the back, and sat in the seat across from him. I watched quietly. Then I said, "Hey, your drawings are really good." He looked up, surprised, paused. Then he smiled. "Thanks. I just draw what I see." "What do you mean?" I asked. He turned the notebook toward me, and I saw me, sitting by the window, coffee in hand, looking out. He had drawn me from earlier. "That's amazing," I said. "You're really talented." He nodded. "Helps me stay calm. I've got anxiety. Drawing slows it down." We talked more. He told me his name was Ray. He was an artist. Didn't go to school for it. Just learned by doing. He showed me pages and pages of sketches, strangers, buildings, moments in time. Every Tuesday, he rode the bus and told stories through pictures. "You know," he said, "people move so fast, but I like to freeze them just for a moment." That sentence stayed with me. I got off 2 stops later, but something inside me had shifted. I walked slower that day. Not rushing, just noticing the sound of footsteps, the way leaves moved in the wind, the rhythm of the city, and for the first time in weeks, I felt clear, present. One bus ride, one conversation, one quiet artist changed the way I looked at the world. Now it's your turn. Let's test your ears and your memory. I'll say a sentence. Then I'll ask you a question. You answer it in your mind or out loud. Ready? 1. The old woman wore a red scarf. What color was the scarf? 2. Ray draws people on the bus. What does Ray do? 3. He draws to calm his anxiety. Why does Ray draw? 4. I almost missed the bus. What happened in the beginning? 5. One bus ride changed everything. What did the story teach? Thanks for practicing your English with me today. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to Speaks Flow for more real-life English listening episodes. New stories come every week to help you improve naturally. Keep listening. Keep learning. I'll see you in the next episode.